Hello everyone, this is David and Caitlin's Cool Tool Duel going over our 50 Tech Index. The website we have chosen to do is Quizlet.com. It's great for teachers and students to be able to create tests, study, and use flashcards. The first thing we're going to look at right here is our practice run. Okay, so up at the top for studying purposes we have flashcards, learn, speller, and tests. So we're going to start with flashcards right here. Okay, so it comes up as George Washington. We're going to click to flip, first president. If we need to keep studying, we could keep using it. We'll go to the next one. We have mathematics, click to flip, study of numbers. Next, PBL, something that we've studied in our class. If you don't know what it is, you can click to flip also. We'll go to project-based learning. Alright, we're going to go back to our flashcards and check out another section. Now, one of the great things about this website is it has things for different languages. So if we want to practice Spanish, German, or other languages, we can all do that. So we're going to click on Spanish 1. We're going to go to flashcards. And it's going to come up with flashcards. So we got dog, el perro. We can go to the next one. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's wrong? ¿Qué pasa? Thank you. Gracias. Alright, we've gone over these. We can go back here to our study sheet, our Spanish practice, and this also allows us to make a test. This is great for students to study and for teachers to be able to print out the test and hand it to their students. Now the great thing about the tests on here is you can pick the way you like. You can add matching, written, multiple choice, true or false. And you can do it in Spanish and in language, or English, Spanish, or both. On the left-hand side, we have the different questions. ¿Qué pasa? Gracias. And those are going to be written questions where you have to write out the answer. As we scroll down, we have multiple choice questions. ¿Cómo estás? And then you pick the correct answer as in the multiple choice. We have true or false questions. You can set up the test however you like. If there's a way you feel your students study better or learn better, you can set it up that way. If you're studying for yourself and maybe you want to make it a little more challenging on yourself to where you have to write out all the questions rather than having multiple choice, you can set it up that way. This website allows for many different variations of studying and using note cards. The other great thing about this website is that obviously being online, it's global, but students can come up here into Quizlet search and search for different flashcards, quizzes, or tests other people have made globally, and you can also join in, like it says right here, join a class, and you can get other people's works to help you study for different subjects that you need help with. This isn't just for Spanish or anything else. You can use it for Spanish, math, history, whatever subject you need help with or making quiz notes with, you will be able to use it on here. Another great thing about this is you can go to Speller, and it'll help you spell out the word that you hear.
What's your name?
David. ¿Cómo te llamas? It'll help you with here. You can go back to cards, and we'll click on test, PBL.
PBL.
It'll actually say the word for you.
Project-based learning.
So if you want to use the Spanish one, when you go to Spanish, if you're not understanding how to say the word or how it sounds, we can click back over.
Gracias.
And it'll say it for you. You need more practice?
What's wrong?
Come back
¿Qué
over.
pasa?
Very interesting, very great for studying. It can be used from students from 6th grade and up. It's just a very good way to learn how to make flashcards on the computer in a digital age rather than old school with taking the flashcards everywhere with you. You can actually create this website and have it on your iPhone or your phone, tablet, whatever you need and take with you, and you can also share it with others. All right, this is David and Caitlin's Cool Tool Duel coming from the Quizlet.